let's switch some keycaps. Here's the keyboard and the keycaps. Let's open it up. Okay, it's hard to do with one hand. Alright, excuse me for a second. Alright, I can't. Some keys flew out. Doesn't matter because we're switching keycaps. Let's open it up. Oh, yeah. Nice. Now I need the tool that can help me take out the keycaps, and I don't know where I put it. Right now I can't find it. I've been looking everywhere, so we're gonna use our hands. Let's go. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong direction. Alright, so while I was doing this, I found out it would probably be better if I take everything out and clean the keyboard first, and then put them back in. So let's do that. Okay, so I know it's not clean, but this is insane. I just took these off, and this is insane. How do I even clean it? Did that work? Ha! Let's brush it off. Alright, time to reassemble. It's finally ready. Took me a bit too long to switch the keycaps, so I'm just gonna end the video here because I'm lazy. Bye.